Hi, I'm Dr. Helen Zhang, meditation facilitator, student of life, writer, and consultant. I have always been in search of the inner peace, of answers to help me to live the life that I always dreamed of. On the 6th of June, at the Rising Network event, I invite you to embark on this journey together with me. We will rekindle and reconnect with our dreams through meditation, journaling, and other exercises. Register on the risingnetwork.com and get closer to the dream life that you deserve. See you then.